Today we're opening up a baby secrets. Now, I do not know how to open it, and it has all these collections that you can get. 6 to collect. So let's get started and open it up.
Well, if it's got a nappy on, it's not going to really do anything on the nappy, correct? You can take the nappy off to see if it's a girl or boy. I think that's how it works.
Gonna pee in a cup. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Let's read the instructions.
Again.
Yeah, you just got to feed it. Squeeze it in its mouth. I suppose the question is, if you just dip that water, dip that nappy into the water, would it just tell you if it's a girl or a boy?
Yeah.
It did? Is it pink? Is there a pink?
Pink!
It's a girl. Let me see. Oh. Oh, tip it everywhere. Let me see. It's on the table. How come she has a pink?
I'm gonna feed it in the here.
It's a pink star.
I'm gonna feed it so it can pee or poo. So it can feed. You can feed it and then poo. It's gonna pee.
And how long are we supposed to keep this here for? What are you doing? No, it doesn't work like that.
Well, let's see. It's poo.
Huh?
It's poo.
What do you mean? Oh my god.
It pooped. Sit on the toilet.
Oh, goodness me. So, the pictures work, but obviously the baby, if it's eating it or whatever, it's not going down. What happens if you tilt the head backwards a little bit and then feed it like that? No, sorry. The whole body backwards like that. Yeah, and then feed like that.
Like this.
Yeah. So then the water doesn't drop out maybe. Okay, then when you're done, sit it up and see if it's something coming out.
It's a drop, like a bubble. Oh, I peed. Not on the toilet. It peed on there.
Okay.
This is a very messy job.
Okay. Well, there you have it. What's it called?
Baby secret.
Baby secret. That's what happens.
I can't breathe.
All right. Are we?
We are done for today. I'm gonna put the poo in there now. I'm gonna clean that later. Bye. Bye. Sorry. Bye.